So dear students, now this is a business statistics 2 unit number 5 binomial distribution part 3. So in this video I am going to explain the model 3 problem. So already in the part 1 and part 2 model 1 model 2 problem I explained. So before going to the concept, please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education. So already I uploaded all the semester 4 important questions and semester 2 semester 6 all subjects important questions are already uploaded in my channel, so you can make use of those important questions in your final exam to get good marks in final exam. Okay, so without wasting further time, directly we are going to the concept. So this is a model number 3 problem. So read the question. So what is given in the question, and reading the question is very important. What is asking here? Fit a binomial distribution. So fit a binomial distribution. So sometimes you will not find the expected frequencies. In the model number 2 problem also we have calculated the expected frequencies, and so what are these are frequencies are given now. These frequencies called as observed frequencies. So if we have to calculate what expected frequencies. So this is important thing you need to remember. In the given question already given the frequencies. These frequencies is called as observed frequencies, and what are the frequencies which we are going to calculate? Those are called as expected frequencies. So remember, in some questions you will not find expected frequencies, means just you will find a binomial distribution for the following data. Directly this table is given. So you remember always we have to calculate the expected frequencies only. So once you read the question, so you'll get a clarity that. So first what you have to do now, so whenever you want to find what is required for you, if you want to use a binomial distribution formula, NCR formula, P per R, Q per N minus R. So what is P, Q and everything we have to evaluate. So nothing is given in the problem. So what I will do to find out the N and PQ value, so what I will do, I'll use X. So in some questions will give you in place of X, they'll give N also. Don't be get confusion. N or X both are same. So or sometimes they may give in place of N, they may give R also. X, N or anything is same. So I'm taking as X now. So what are the values of X? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the frequencies are given as 28, 62 and 46, and next one is 10 and next one is 4. So clear na? So once why I written like this, as per the BS1 problem, BS1, when this is like which type of problem? This is a discrete series problem. Yes or no? X values are given and frequencies values are given. So how to find the mean now? So that time mean is equal to or X bar you write. So summation fx by n. So this is a formula you need to write. So what is any capital frequency? Total of the frequency. If you add 28 plus 62, 92, if you add total, you'll get this frequency as 150. So what we have to do now, f into x we have to do now, f into x. So to do the f into x now, 0 into 28 is 0, 1 into 62 62, and 46 into 2 is nothing but 92, and 3 into is nothing but 30, and 4 4 is 16. So if you do the total of summation fx total, so summation fx total you are getting as 200. So substitute these values here. 200 divided by capital N is nothing but 150. So it means what? 53 jar, 54 jar. It means what? 4 by 3 you are getting. So it means, as per binomial distribution, in binomial distribution, so what is the binomial distribution? Mean formula. Mean is nothing but NP. So it means mean answer you are getting already 4 by 3 you are getting is equal to NP. Okay, this is the mean answer you are getting. So similarly what we have to do? Okay, so mean you got a clarity now. Next we have to, now we know that N means what? In the given problem N means, so 0. What is the meaning of 0? 0 successes, 1 success, 2 success, 3 success, maximum you should get 4 success. So as per the given problem N is nothing but 4. So take the NP is equal to 4 by 3 now. So what you do in place of N, you write what is the highest value is there in the X now. So this is nothing but your N value. Okay, so replace here 4 into P is equal to 4 by 3. It means what? 4 LHS right RHS, it will be cancelled. So what is the value of P now? P is equal to 1 by 3. So if you divide 1 by 3 you will get 0.3333 you will get. So it means what? You are getting the P value. So next to go to the concept of, okay, and N value and P value. So next I am going to the next slide. So here I am going to take the pen option again. So how to calculate? So already in binomial distribution, probability of success plus probability of failure always should be 1. So P value you are getting already 0.333, okay, plus q is equal to 1. So it means what? Q is equal to 1 minus 0.333. So it means what? Q is equal to 0.67. So you got a clarity now. You know the p value, you know the q value, you know the n value. Okay, everything is known. Okay, so what we have to do now? We have to calculate the expected frequencies. In the before problem I given expected, okay, expected frequencies can be calculated, okay, calculated by the formula, okay. Which formula we are going to calculate? E of r is equal to capital N into NCR, okay, p power r q power n minus r. So this is the formula we have to apply. So now you'll get a doubt, sir, r, what is the meaning of r? R means, you know, always r is always denoted with the number of successes. 0 successes, 1 successes, 2 successes, 3 successes, 4 successes. Sir, you'll get doubt, sir, why we are taking from 0 to 4? So in the given question, x values are nothing but r only. X values are nothing but r values only. So go to this problem. So whatever the x values which are given in the problem, those are nothing but r values only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear na? So what you need to do? Take 1 value if r equal to 0. Suppose if r equal to 0, then what could be the value of E of 0? E of 0. So you know, total capital N is nothing but, already you have done, total 150. Total of the frequency is 150 na, into NCR. N means what? Total how many? What is the highest value is there? 5. 5C 0. Next P is nothing but 0.33, okay, power 0, and 0.67 power what? N minus r. 5 minus 0 is nothing but 5. So now just evaluate it here. 150 into 5C0 always 1. 5C0, these are fundamental formulas you need to remember. Any power 0 is always 1. So next what you are getting here? 0.67 into 5. So it means you multiply 0.67 into 0.67 into, sorry, this is 4. How many are? N value is 4 only na? Highest value is 4. So this is 4 only, okay. So 0.67 into 4 times, if you multiply, you will get the answer. This as 0.2015 you will get, okay. So finally if you multiply 150 into 0.2015, you will get answer 30.225, okay. So it means you calculate the E of 0 value. So similarly what we have to do? We have to calculate the another E of 4, okay. So here again I am taking the pen option. So now I am going to take here in this I am going to take if r equal to 1. So then E of 1 is equal to, so you know, n means what? 150 into NCR. N means 4C1. P power means 0.33 power 1 into 0.67 power, okay, 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. So now you get 150 into 4C1 is always 4 only. 4C1 is always 4. So you just, if you don't know, just you can apply this NCR formula, you know, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So apply this formula, you can get the n4C1 value. So 4C1 value is 4. So 0.33 means 0.33 power 1 is 0.33 only. So 0.67 power 3 means we have to multiply 0.67 into 0.67 into 0.67. 3 times you multiply. So you will get here this answer as 0.301 you will get. So finally if you multiply all these values, you will get 59.598, okay. So similarly you calculate if r equal to 2, then E of 2 is equal to 150 into 4C2 and 0.33 power 2 into 0.67 power 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So it means 150 into 4C2. 4C2 answer if you calculate, you will be getting the answer 6. 6 into, so just use the same formula, you can get the answer now. 4C2 is nothing but 6. So in this again you will get 0.33 means what? 0.33 into 33. 2 times you multiply, you will get 0.1089 you will get, okay. So similarly you multiply 0.67 into 0.67, you will get 0.4489. So finally if you multiply all these values, you will get the answer 43.99. So next what we have to do, if r equal to 3, then E of 3 is equal to 150 into NCR. So it means what? 4C3 into NCR means P power R. P value is what? 0.33 power 3, and then Q means what? 0.67. So N minus R, 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1. So it will become 150 into 4C3. If you multiply the answer, you will get answer 4. And if you multiply 0.33 into 0.33 into 0.33, 3 times you multiply, you will get 0.0, okay, 359. So any number power 1 is nothing but same number, you will get 0.67. If you multiply all these values, okay, you will get 14.4318. You are getting 14.138. okay. So I'm going to the next slide. Okay, so in the next slide again I'm taking the pen option. So now next if I take if r equal to 4, then what is the expected value of fourth frequency? So here what we are going to do now, then n is nothing but 150 into NCR. N means 4, C 4, and P power is nothing but 0.33 power 4, and Q power is nothing but 0.67. 4 minus 4, 0. Now you know already 150 into 4C4, always answer is 1 only, okay, into 0.33 into 0.33. if you multiply for 4 times, you will get 0.0118 you will get, okay. So you know any number for 0 always 1. So finally if you multiply, you will get 1.77 you will get. So remember, okay, so after doing this all expected values, so what we have to do, we have to do the total of all these values. So what I will do now, we need to make a total. Suppose see here what I will do here. Now listen, here what is there? 30.222 is there. So I can I make a adjustment here? Can I make this as 30 only now? So 30, you may see 30.22, it means if it is more than 5, 30.5 is there, you can make it as 31. समझ में ना, ये टोटल्स अपन राउंड अप कर रहे, इंटीजर जो डेसिमल का वैल्यू को राउंड अप करके 30 लगा दे रहे. 0.22 है, 0.5 के बाद है तो इसको 31 कर सकते थे, बट यहाँ पे 30 कर दिया. सो नेक्स्ट में क्या कर देना, सिमिलरली यहाँ पे चेक करो अगेन. सो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है 59.598, तो ऑलमोस्ट ये क्या आ रहा है 59.5 क्रॉस हो गया. तो इसको अपन क्या करेंगे 60 करेंगे, ओके. रफ से पेंसिल से कर लो ये काम पूरा, ओके. यहाँ पे देखो 43.99 बोलते हैं, इसको अपन अप्रोक्सीमेटली क्या कर सकते हैं 44. सो ये क्या है 14.143, तो ये 14.5 क्रॉस नहीं हुआ, तो उसको मैं 14 कर रहा हूँ, ओके. मेक इट एज 14. सो लास्ट वैल्यू क्या है, अगेन यू टेक इट 1.77 इज गिवन. 1.77 हो तो व्हाट वी कैन टेक नाउ दिस एज, रफली लिखो, रफली लिखना है ये, अप टू लिखो. ऐसे लिखने के बाद ये जो आंसर यहाँ ना, ये आंसर, ओके. ये नेक्स्ट क्या है, ओके, ये आंसर 2 plus 14 16 and 16 plus 44, okay, 16 बोल तो 20 and 60, and this will become 120, and next 120 plus, okay, 30, 150. टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया था, कैपिटल एन कितना आया 150, इट शुड बिकम 150 ओनली. ये टोटल ऐसा करना, एक बार एक और दो वैल्यू कम हो गए तो यहाँ पे 30 है तो इसको 31 कर देना. सो रिमेंबर दिस वन. सो टोटल एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसीज का टोटल कंपलसरी क्या होना 150 होना, ऐसा करेक्शन कर लेना अपन. सो यहाँ पे एक बार एक वैल्यू कम हो रहा तो आप क्या करो, इसको 30 की जगह पे 31 कर दो. सो डायरेक्ट आंसर ना लिखो, पहले एक बार रफ से पेंसिल से लेके पूरा का टोटल कर लो. करने के बाद 150 मैच हुए तो ठीक है, अगर मैच नहीं हुआ तो कहाँ तो भी 30.225 आ रहा ना, इसको अपन क्या करना 31 कर दो. ऐसा करके राउंड अप करे तो लास्ट का आपको आंसर 150 आना. सो आप ऐसा करेक्शन कर दो. फाइनली क्या कर देना, वंस यू डू दिस प्रोसेस एंड व्हाट आर द आंसर यू आर गेटिंग, फाइनली एक जगह पे टैबलेट करके छोड़ देना. सो क्या बोल के लिखना, देयरफॉर क्या बोल के लिखना, एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसीज आर, ओके, फ्रीक्वेंसीज आर बोल के लिख के क्या करना, r इज इक्वल टू 0 1 2 3 4 है। सो जब एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसीज क्या है, एक्सपेक्टेड ई ऑफ आर और ई ऑफ एक्स कौन सा भी ले लो। सो व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग, द फर्स्ट वैल्यू आर गेटिंग, फर्स्ट वैल्यू आपको 30 आया था, राउंड अप करने के बाद 30 आया। सेकंड वैल्यू कितना आया, 60 आया। नेक्स्ट वैल्यू कितना आया, 44 आया। नेक्स्ट वैल्यू कितना आया था आपको, 14 आया था। तो नेक्स्ट वैल्यू आपको 2 आया था। तो ये पूरे वैल्यूज एक बॉक्स में डाल के दिस विल बी योर फाइनल आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन। सो दिस वे वी हैव टू डू दिस प्रॉब्लम। ओके, so this is model number 3 problem. See, please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education. So in the next video will be model number 4 problem I'm going to explain. Okay, so